Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of boat tours in Ninh Binh, Vietnam, where breathtaking landscapes and cultural treasures await. Join us as we explore the top 5 places for a boat tour in Ninh Binh. Our first stop is Tam Coc, the heart of Ninh Binh's boat tour experiences. If you're short on time, this is the perfect choice for you. Head to Van Lam Pier, where you can easily purchase your tickets for the boat ride. The journey takes you through 3 magnificent caves, Ca, Hai, and Ba, hence the name Tam Coc. But the real magic happens during the rice harvest season when the fields turn a mesmerizing shade of golden. Don't miss climbing up to Mua Cave's lookout point for a bird's eye view of the route. Remember, your guide will let you know whether you'll be sharing the boat with 2 or 4 people. The entire tour takes approximately 2 hours, making it a wonderful way to soak in the beauty of Ninh Binh in a short time. If you have more than a day to spare, we highly recommend heading to Trang An, a countryside gem just 20 minutes away from Tam Coc. Here, you can choose from 3 boat tours that offer an even more dramatic and rewarding experience compared to Tam Coc. Trang An boasts a pristine and protected area, rich with impressive grottoes and sacred historical sites like the Bao Hieu pagoda. Depending on your preferences, you can pick from 3 fantastic boat tour options with varying durations. Option 1 takes you on a 3 to 4 hour circular route, visiting multiple breathtaking spots. Option 2, lasting 2 to 3 hours, takes you to scenes from the famous movie Thong, Skull Island. And Option 3, a 3-hour tour, explores a large cave and more spots from the movie. Are you a cave enthusiast? If so, our next destination will captivate you. Welcome to Tien Ha Cave, also known as the Galaxy Grotto. This 700-meter-long cave is adorned with stunning stalactites and features both dry and wet sections. Tien Ha Cave holds a fascinating history, with signs of ancient Vietnamese habitation discovered within its depths. This boat tour promises an unforgettable underground adventure. Calling all birdwatchers. Our next boat tour takes us to Thong Nam Bird Park, a haven for avian enthusiasts. Prepare to spot various bird species, including fire warblers, starlings, and storks, amidst the lush forests, orchards, and vibrant flowers. Nature lovers will find this tour particularly rewarding, as the park offers a perfect blend of wildlife and picturesque surroundings. Our final stop is the Van Long Nature Reserve, a biodiverse wonderland that has rightfully earned its place on the Global Green List Commission's Green List by the IUCN. Get ready to immerse yourself in the tranquility of this exceptional reserve. Van Long Nature Reserve is home to precious and rare creatures such as Delica's langur, chamois, Chinese pond heron, and stump-tailed macaque. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the sacred Dich Long Pagoda located within the reserve. There you have it, folks, the top 5 boat tour destinations in Ninh Binh that offer an unforgettable experience. From the picturesque landscapes of Tam Coc to the awe-inspiring grottos of Trang An, and the serene beauty of Tien Ha Cave, Thong Nam Bird Park, and Van Long Nature Reserve, each tour promises a unique adventure. So, if you're planning a trip to Vietnam, make sure to include Ninh Binh and its fantastic boat tours in your itinerary. Like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!